the Multifit solar cleaning brush. As you know that we use the 5-layer corrugated material package. It will be more stronger than another material package, both more durable, reusable, and very lightweight. It can be stored in the environment with the different temperature and the humidity level, and be to the recycling and made into the new products, making it very environment friendly. And then, open the box, package box, you can see that the brush bristle and the spare part, they will be wet with this bubble bag to ensure that they do not to move and get the damage during the transportation. And our spare part and the brush bristle, they are be packing together, so that we use the partition or the foam paper to separate them to prevent from coming into contact to each other and being the damage. This one is the battery bag. It's packed into the plastic bag and with the tape to make sure that to prevent the dust and the dirt. This one is the foam paper. And you see the bubble bag. This carbon base is designed specially for the solar brush bristle, which can be secure the bristle in place and ensure it cannot be moved during the transportation. And you can see our spare parts and the bristle all is packed in the plastic bag together. Multifit Solar accepts the customized package box. Call me now.